Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Keyapp, the company that helps your applications to achieve top positions in the search on Google Play and App Store. And in this episode, we are going to discuss the real case study of promotion on App Store for the meditation apps niche. So as we have already mentioned at the beginning of this video, today we are going to discuss a real case study of meditation app promotion on App Store. And first of all, it's needed to mention that this niche is extremely competitive, and in general, the market of wellness and wellness applications is growing and is expected to hit 5.7 billion in 2025. And of course, such applications as wellness, meditation, stress relief are extremely popular among users and are always in demand. And that's why a lot of developers decide to work in this niche. But of course, with all these factors, actually the competition comes as well. And that's needed to understand that the market, both Google Play and App Store, is full of big, strong players, some famous applications. And if you work in this niche, that's needed to pay attention to all the metrics, to conversion rates, and of course to App Store optimization, as actually such applications receive a lot of organic traffic from the search. And today we are going to discuss the App Store promotion strategy for meditation app, and actually we are going to show some examples how we managed to achieve some positions for different keywords. But first of all, when you work with App Store, there are some rules that needed to be remembered. First of all, do not try to go with high volumes at once, even if you work in competitive niche. Of course, we do understand that for some keywords, high volumes may be needed to achieve top positions, but still it's needed to remember that you should pay attention to the way the algorithm works and actually play according to Apple rules. At the same time, it's both about meditation apps niche and of course regarding all the other niches, do not try to target only high volume keywords, only the most competitive keywords. Of course, we do understand that this search request can bring the highest number of organic traffic, but still there are some other keywords of middle and low popularity that can bring organic traffic to your application and for which you can use lower number of keyword installs, for example, and of course you have higher chances to get top positions. So in the case we actually worked with the different keywords. We worked both with high volume keywords and with some keywords of lower popularity, because we do understand that we need to use the mix of different search requests, so to have the ability to cover different users and actually to get the organic traffic. Of course, if you're going to work with some competitive keywords, it's needed to make sure that actually the application has good metrics, good conversion rates, and some traffic, so for you to be able to use high number of keyword installs for the promotion. And let's go to some examples. We will show 4 examples for keywords that actually we managed to increase the position for. And the first keyword is one of the most competitive in this niche, so before you start to work with this keyword, make sure that your application has traffic and good conversion rates as well as some other metrics. So the first keyword we worked with is meditation app, and actually we decided that we will go step by step, and that's what we mentioned. Working with Apple, you cannot just add high number of installs, like several thousand of installs daily, and get the position. Of course, the algorithm will react to this, but it won't look natural. So first of all, we started with the testing campaign, and as the keyword is competitive, we set the campaign for 2 days with 100 and 150 installs, and in such a way we managed to achieve rank 28. After this, of course, we see that we have positive results, and we decided to continue the promotion with the increased numbers. So we set the next campaign with 200, 250, and 320 installs, and in such a way we achieved the rank 10 in the United States. Of course, we know that actually the search list can be changed by Apple and by some external factors, by competitors. And to keep this position, we need some more installs to be added, so to save the rank. And that's why we continued the campaign for several days with 80, 90 installs daily just to keep the position, and as a result we get stable top 10. The next keyword we worked with is of middle competitiveness, and the keyword is guided meditation for sleep. So we started with the rank 45, and our aim was to get top 5. So first of all, we started with the testing campaign with 100, 150, and 200 installs for 3 days, and we improved the position to top 15. And then, of course, we increased the volume to 250 daily, and as a result, we get top 3 for this keyword in the United States. The next keyword we worked with is as well of middle competitiveness, and it is sleep music for adults. So we started with rank 33, and the aim was to get top 3. So here we used actually one campaign with 120, 180, and 250 installs daily, and as a result, we improved the position to top 10, and then the rank was improved to top 2. So when you work with App Store, please pay attention that the position may be updated in 2-3 days after the promotion is finished. And here in this case, we also used the maintenance campaign, so just to keep the rank. And the final keyword we worked with is meditation for stress relief in 5 minutes. Actually, it is long tail keywords of low competitiveness, of low popularity, but still we don't understand that even this keyword can bring some traffic, and we can get the organic users. So for this keyword, we just used 50, 80, 120 installs for 3 days, and as a result, we achieved top 1 position. And that's why we should understand that for different keywords, the different volumes should be used. So just to sum up, when you work with App Store, especially when you work with some competitive niches, do not hesitate to mix different keywords in the promotion, as all the keywords actually can bring some organic traffic, and for some keywords you do not need to use hundreds and thousands of keyword installs to get top positions. And of course, when you work with App Store, do not try to go aggressively in your promotion and start the promotion step by step. But still, if you have some questions regarding the keyword promotion, or you need the promotion strategy for your application, do not hesitate to contact our support team or your personal manager, and we will be happy to create the promotion strategy exactly for your application.